How to log into Ceridian Payroll account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Let me head over to Safari. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for Ceridian Payroll login. You will be landing on Space. Scroll down and tons of different sites will be visible to you. But you can head over to the very first one. Wait for a while for it to load. It will lead you to this page. In here, you will be able to log into your specific account. First of all, what you want to do is enter the email address associated with your account, and then enter the password that you have created before. In case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot My Password. You have to follow the on-screen process, and then you'll be able to recover your password. Once you have recovered, enter it in here. After that, you can click on Sign In, and you'll be logged into a specific account. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Ceridian Payroll account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.